a cold-hearted snake. You don't play by rules. Uh-oh, girl, don't be a fool. He's a lover boy at play. Look into his eyes. Uh-oh, he's been telling lies, girl. That's a great song from Paula Abdul. Love you, Paula. Thank you for that song, Cold-Hearted Snake. And welcome, everyone, to the Crystal Freak Show. So I just want to hop on here real quick and share a little weird thing that happened to me. Take this with an absolute grain of salt. I just want to throw this out there because recently I've seen something really interesting. I'm going to put the link down in the below for you guys, known as Watch the Water. So it's a documentary called Watch the Water, which is quite interesting. And all I'm going to say is it's about Venom and in the water. And long story short, I saw this documentary, thought it was quite fascinating and interesting, and didn't really think much about it, but also did ask for divine guidance, like, hey, let me know if there's anything of importance here, give me some guidance, whatever. Well, the other night, I had this crazy dream, nightmare actually, and normally I dream about happy things. It's very rare that I have very vivid, like usually I sleep so good that I don't even dream at all. I just wake up well rested in a blank slate. It's lovely. When I have a very vivid dream, it's rare, but I do. And as you guys know if you watch my channel. So I had this weird dream the other night about, like, I remember it started off with me in the mountains, and I had like uncovered this awakened evil alien that was all black, had these crazy teeth, and I had to like run out of the mountains, and I ran to my friends. I'm like, oh my God, we have to leave right now. Like, there's this awakened crazy alien that is out to get me, out to get us, like who knows what, but he has been released, he is awakened. Like, it was just crazy. And my friends were like, okay, cool, and were nonchalant, didn't really care about it. And I'm like freaking out, like, we've got to go, and like we're in this car, and like they just keep stopping, and it was driving me crazy. But anyways, I thought nothing of it. But this happened to me Friday. Here it is Saturday, and out of nowhere I'm like, I just have to like draw this, because I was telling my boyfriend about it, and I'm like, babe, I feel like and I was trying to describe it to him. I'm like, you watch these movies, you watch Superman, Spider-Man, all this fun stuff. Like, I don't really watch these movies, but something makes me feel like this is familiar. I don't know. Long story short, I felt like if I drew it and I showed it to him, he could tell me who it was. So this is what I drew. And he says, yeah, that looks like Venom. I was like, who? What? Venom. Wow.
I'm Eddie Brock. I'm a reporter. I always seem to find myself questioning something the government may not be looking at. I found something really bad. And I have been taken. Look around in the world. What do you see? A planet on the brink of collapse. Human beings are disposable. But man and symbiote combined. This is a new race, a new species. A higher life form. What do you want from me?
I will just throw a couple of links down below, and I just thought that was very interesting, and whoever out there needs to hear this, this is for you. This is your confirmation. I feel like it was my confirmation that what is being spoken about in this Watch the Water documentary may be something to really consider. Thank you guys so much, sending you so much love. My next video, you're really gonna love if you are all about sound healing temples and crystal civilizations, because I'm going to talk about yours truly the Sanctuary of Sounds, which is what I am currently building right now with the Liquid Light Project out in Los Angeles, the City of Angels. We are building these beautiful crystal sound healing temples in virtual reality as a virtual venue for sound healers to come together and help heal the world and raise the vibration of the planet. So super excited, because the best part is we're going to build these things in real life. So if you're interested in building a sound healing center and wanting to know all about the SOS project, working with the Liquid Light Project, with my visions of the Sanctuary of Sounds, then please stay tuned for the next video. And remember to like and subscribe. Have an amazing, wonderful day. Mwah.